Baka naman ako sa aking dorm. Reviewing for midterms. Mabilis lang yung bahay ko. Like, umalis kami ng TikTok ng Chocolate ng 5 a.m. And then, andito na ako sa condo. Like, quarter. Kasaan. And it's so hot. Things. I also have a backpack. So like, I don't have much sleep kasi natulog ako kagabi ng I think around 2 a.m. And nagising ako ng mga 4:30. So before ako mag-review, kakain muna ako and then I'm gonna get some sleep. And then mag-review na ako. Yun lang. This is me just jamming to music while answering my quiz, only to find out na mahirap pala siya. So, nag-serious na ako after a while. And then, after a while, girl, biglang may dumami yung mga gamo-gamo na nag-fly inside our door. Nataranta ako. And then, yun nga, pintay kong ilaw. Tapos, parang mas dumami sila. I don't know why. Hi, guys. So, wait, I'm gonna put you here. So, natapos ko na yung quiz ko. And, pwede na yung score ko. I mean, hindi siya perfect, but at least pasado. And then, it's almost 8. I think it's 7:30 p.m. And wala pa akong dinner. Hindi pa ako nakakapagluto. So, magluluto muna ako and then I'm gonna take a bath and then go back to reviewing. Hi guys! So, nakatapos ko lang gumawa ng project ng practical for my PE subject. And look at all of that sweat, girl! I've never exercised this hard in my entire life. Or hindi rin. Kasi I used to sleep. Perhaps hindi ako pinapapawisan doon. So, I don't like this. The sweat in my body is not so giving. And hindi pa ako nandito na. Kasi, alam ko, hindi ko alam kung tama to, pero dapat daw hindi ka muna nakakain before gym. Dapat after gym or after working out. So, hindi pa man din. And I'm so tired. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Ito yung ginawa ko to ngayon kasi kung bukas ko ito gagawin, hindi ko talaga kaya. I also have to review for my major, so good luck to me. Hopefully, hindi sumakit yung katawan ko tomorrow kasi I do have a lot of errands tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the market para mamalengke for my food sa upcoming days. And also to review. Pero if sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, hindi ako makakalipin, but anyway, kaya ko yun. And I've drunk water na pala. I've drunk water. I don't know if it's advisable to drink like lukewarm water, pero I've drank yung cold water ko sa RAF, nalagyan ko ng normal na water temperature. So, hindi siya malamig. I feel like it's just lukewarm. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Hello everybody. So I'm having a short break from reviewing and I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna turn on the laptop kasi maingay na sa labas so baka hindi nyo lang I'm gonna sing Runaway by The Fox. I miss my mom. Say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too. And I would run away. I would run away. I would run away. I would run away with you. 'Cause I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door, lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight, make love to me through the night. 'Cause I have run away, I have run away, yeah, yeah. I have run away, run away, I have run away with you. 'Cause I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away, run away. I would run away with you. 'Cause I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Hey guys, so I'm taking a break again. Kasi sumasakit na talaga yung ulo ko from reviewing. And my goal for today is to finish my one major, which is computer programming. Today I have to finish that today, so tomorrow I can focus to my another major, discrete structures, because on Saturday my prof in computer programming will be reviewing us, so I want to be prepared now by Saturday so I'll know what I missed. And for Sunday I will probably resume studying discrete structures, and Monday is computer again because my exam for computer programming will be on Tuesday, so I'm gonna study by Monday again for computer programming like refresher, and then on Tuesday I'm gonna take my exam. Hopefully makapasa, hindi lang makapasa, sana mataas yung makuha kong grades kasi para hindi masyadong mabigat ang hilahin ko for finals. And by Tuesday again, after exam, I'm gonna rest a bit and then review again for discrete chapters. So good luck to me. Nice, okay. So before my midterms, na-release yung season 3 ng Bridgerton, and Yana and I decided to watch it together, and this is our reaction. Hi guys. So it's May 20 today, and my departmental exam will be tomorrow and Wednesday, so May 21 and 22. And I've been studying, like serious studying from Thursday, with of course breaks in between. Not technically serious, like extensive, but this is extensive for me because I'm not used to reviewing at all. So I'm just hoping for the best, even if there's some concept that I'm I'm having a hard time understanding and comprehending and also retaining. I'm just hoping for the best that may sasagot ako sa exam, matatapos ko yung exam, and confident ako sa mga sagot ko. I think every day I'm studying for like total siguro 6, 8 hours a day. And now I started at 9 and it's already 10 a.m. So I've been studying for 1 hour, and then after this I'm gonna have a mock test, and after that I'm gonna also study later for my other major, which will I be taking tomorrow. And that's all. I'm just hoping for the best. Yun lang. So here I am. I'm on my way to the library because my friends are there para mag um, last minute review for our midterms. Hi guys! Swimming moments! Hi ka sa vlog ko. Hi vlog. Huwag na kayo sumama, be.
Mag-isa tayo.
Oh, sige. Oh,
Pati si Kai. Ano si Kai?
oh sige. Picture na. Wow. Wow. So I haven't been able to vlog during the second day of our midterms, but after the midterms, my friends and I decided to have a pool, swimming pool celebration kasi natapos na namin yung departmental exam, and here are some videos. Hello vlog!
Sabi naman yung magtutok agad ng camera.
Loko din. That's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope makapasa din ako sa final.